Hi children, today we are going to do a new topic, that is pronouns. So in this lesson we will be dealing with what is a pronoun and which are the different types of pronoun. Let's see what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun or another pronoun. Like a noun, a pronoun can refer to a person, place, thing or idea. So dear children, we already know what is a noun. Noun is actually a name of a person, place, thing or idea. The same way pronouns also refer to the same. The word that a pronoun refers to is called its antecedent. So the words that I will be explaining with the below examples. So what's the duty of a pronoun is the pronoun replaces the noun. So instead of noun we are using pronoun. And also if we need to repeat the noun again and again in a sentence or in the upcoming sentences, we won't use the nouns again and again, right? So we will be using pronoun. Maria was lost. She didn't panic. In this sentence, Maria is a name or proper noun. Maria is a proper noun, and Maria was lost. She didn't panic. We can write in this way: Maria was lost and Maria didn't panic. So if we use Maria again, the proper noun again, it won't be. It will instead of repeating the noun again and again, we can use pronoun. Maria was lost. So what will be the pronoun which can replace the word Maria? It is she. She didn't panic. Maria was lost. She didn't panic. The word she, it denotes the noun Maria. So the word she which replaces the noun Maria, that is pronoun. Pronoun. That means which replaces the noun. So she is pronoun, and the noun which it replaces, that is Maria. So this noun is known as antecedent. This is the pronoun, and what it refers to? The word she refers to Maria. So Maria is the antecedent, and the word she is the pronoun. Similarly, let's see the next sentence. She checked the flashlight. It still worked. Now let's see in the first sentence we have seen Maria is the name of a person, but in second sentence the highlighted word is flashlight. She checked the flashlight. It still worked. She checked the flashlight. What is the noun in the sentence? That is flashlight. It's a name of a thing. It's not a name of a person. Flashlight is not a name of a person. It's a name of a thing, right? So it replaced the same thing. You can write she checked the flashlight. The flashlight still worked. Instead of repeating the noun, we have used the pronoun it, because it's a thing. So we can use the pronoun it for things. It still worked. So it refers to the flashlight. It refers to the flashlight. So the pronoun is it, and the noun it refers to is flashlight. So this flashlight is the antecedent and it is the pronoun. Now let's see which are the different types of pronoun which is there in your textbook. The first one is personal pronouns. Second one is possessive pronouns. Third one is reflexive and emphatic pronoun. And the fourth one is relative pronouns. Dear children, there are many types of pronoun, but in your textbook there are only 4 types. There are many types like distributive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, like that. Many different types of pronouns are there, but in your textbook you are having only these 4 types of pronoun. So we will be doing with these 4 types. So today's class we will be dealing with only personal pronouns. Which are the different types of personal pronouns? That is, in the first person, the personal pronouns are divided into first person, second person and third person pronouns. And in the first person we have I and we. I and we is the first person pronoun. And I and we are using as a subject, right? For as a subject we are using I and we in a subject. Whereas when we make the same thing, when it comes as an object form, we are using I. What is the objective form of I is me. And what is the object form of we is us. So the first person pronouns are I and its objective form me, we and its object form is object pronoun is us. Okay, so I and we, me and us. It's a subject pronoun, subject and object pronoun. These are known as the first person pronoun. Dear children, please repeat after me. The first person pronouns are I, me, we and us. I, me, we and us. Now let's see what is the second person pronoun. The second person pronoun refers to the person being spoken to. So it's only one, that is you. Okay, to the person being spoken to, it's only one, that is you. So you is the second person pronoun. Okay, in objective form also it is you. When it comes as a subject, we are using you only. Okay, there is no change in that. Now let's see what is the third person pronoun. The third person pronouns refers to the person being spoken of. Refers to the person being spoken of. That is he, she, them, they, it. He, she, them, they, it. These are the third. In singular form it is he, she and it, and in plural it is they. Then let's see what is this is actually the when it is coming as a subject pronoun, which is coming as a subject. Okay, he, she, it, they and all, which is coming as subject. Let's see how it is coming as an object form. Right, in object form it will be the he will be him, she will be her, it will be the same, it only, they will be them. So we have learned what is personal pronoun, right? Which are the personal pronouns? The first person, second person and third person pronoun in this slide. Now let's see the examples of personal pronouns. Jack and David are friends. They play basketball together. Here you can see Jack and David are the names of two people. It's a noun. Jack and David, there are two people, right? Two people are so we have used, instead of repeating Jack and David again and again, we are using they. Jack and David. Instead of Jack and David, we have used the pronoun they. They play basketball together. Then next is, we will be late if you don't hurry up. In this sentence we can see two pronouns are used. We is first person pronoun and the second person pronoun you, to whom it is being spoken to, right? We and you. Now let's see the third sentence, examples for the third pronoun, personal pronoun. Peter sang the song to me. Peter sang the song to me. Me is a personal pronoun and it is used in a objective way, right? As an object. Missing the train will cause us to be late. Missing the train will cause us. It's actually coming as an object, right? Us is coming as an objective way and this is a pronoun. She packed them tightly in the suitcase. Again this the word she, subject, verb is packed and them is the object, right? So them is again a personal pronoun that is coming as it's an example of third person pronoun. Let's take the first exercise, that is circle the correct pronouns in the brackets. You have to circle the correct pronouns which are already given in the bracket. Diksha is excited. Her or she is going to represent her school at a chess tournament. Here, Diksha is excited. Diksha is the name of a girl. So, what you have to use, is it her or she? Dash is going to represent her school at a chess tournament. It is she. Diksha is excited. She is going to represent her school at a chess tournament. Now, let's see the second one. Us or we, what we had used that, no? Must each do our best to save the environment. Here, dear children, you can understand the difference between us and we, because we is coming as a subject, whereas us, the pronoun us, is coming as a object. So, here which one we have to use, because in the place the subject place is vacant, so we have to use the word we. We must each do our best to save the environment. We is the correct answer. Me or I am baking chocolate biscuits. So, here in the sentence again the subject part is missing. So, me is actually the object pronoun which is coming as an object, right? And here I is actually, it's a pronoun which is coming as a subject, right? So, here we have to use I am baking chocolate biscuits. Now, let's see the fourth sentence. Anshul is gathering walnuts. He or him has collected so many. So, here we are talking about Anshul, right? It's a boy. So, Anshul is gathering walnuts. Next, the sentence is over. So, we have next sentence we have to start with the subject only, not with the object, right? So, it is he. He is the subject pronoun. He has collected so many. So, the subject place is vacant over here. So, we have to use the subject pronoun. Him is the object pronoun. We cannot use in the beginning of the sentence. It will be either the end of the sentence or in somewhere in the middle of the sentence. Now, let's see the fifth one. They or us will learn tennis this summer. Remember children, they is coming as a subject pronoun and us is actually the object pronoun. So, we will be writing the subject pronoun. They will learn tennis this summer. They. Now, let's see the sixth one. The shirt that is dash me or mine has a label on its collar. The shirt that is, here the pronoun which is coming as a the shirt that is, actually it is the me and mine, it is coming as under this possessive category, possessive pronoun. The shirt that is mine has a label on its collar, mine. So, like that you can do these exercises 7, 8, 9 and 10. Please do it fast. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Please do it fast. Now, let's see the answers of 7, 8, 9 and 10 and all the other answers. You can have a look. That bag is heavy. Put it down. Bag is a thing, right? This is the name of a thing. So, we have used the pronoun it. Now, 8th and 9th, 8, 9 and 10, you can look at the answers. Dear children, let's take exercise number B. Rewrite the sentences using pronouns in place of the underlined words. You can refer your textbook. The words are already underlined in textbook, but it is not underlined here. The first one, Agil bought some samosas, but Agil finished the samosas before Agil reached home. So in this sentence, you can see 3 times the word, the noun Agil is repeated. So we can have Agil as a proper noun only for one time. After that, we can remove this 2 times, that Agil, instead of Agil, we can use the pronoun of Agil. So let's see, and also the word samosas are also underlined. So we have to use that pronoun for that also. Akhil bought some samosas, but Akhil finished the samosas. So here Akhil is again coming as a subject only, because after the subject the verb and object is coming here. So we have to use the subject pronoun, not the object pronoun. Akhil is the name of a boy, so we have to use he or him. So he is a subject pronoun. So we have to use, but he finished. He finished. And next word is the samosas are underlined. He finished. There are many other, it's a plural. So, and it is coming as an object. Here is a subject, here is a verb, and here is the object. So here we have to use the objective form of they, that is them. Okay. Again bought some samosas, but he finished them before. Again the word Akhil is there. After Akhil, let's see, it is reached home. Reached is a verb and home is the object. So here again Akhil is coming as a subject pronoun. We have to use subject pronoun over here, right? So we are using he. He reached home. So the answer will be Akhil bought some samosas, but he finished them before he reached home. Now let's see the second sentence. Naresh and Shanti are neighbors. Naresh and Shanti live close to our school. So here Naresh and Shanti is repeated, right? So we have to use a pronoun for them. Naresh and Shanti are neighbors. As there are two people, we have to use a plural pronoun. Naresh and Shanti are neighbors. Dash live close to our school. So we can say they. They live close to our school. Jane forgot to bring the pen. The pen was in the drawer. Jane forgot to bring the pen, and the underlined word is the pen, right? The pen is the underlined word. So what we have to replace the word the pen. Jane forgot to bring the pen. It was, next one. It is the next one. So it is it. The pen is a non-living thing, so we can use the word it. It was in the drawer. The pen is repeated. The pen is the name of a thing, and the word it is a pronoun which you can use for things. Ria and I bought a birthday present for Preeti. Ria and I gave it to Preeti in school. So the underlined words are Ria and I here, and also Preeti. So Ria and I bought a birthday present for Preeti. First time we have to use that, and we can avoid repetition of Ria and I, like Ria and I. It is Ria and I is given, I. So we can replace the word with we. Okay, we is coming as an object, it's coming as a subject, because after this gave is a verb and it is a object over there. So Ria and I will be changed as a subject pronoun, that is we. We gave it to Preeti. Preeti is already repeated, so we have to make a pronoun for Preeti. We gave it to her in school. We gave it to her, because Preeti is coming not as a subject but as an object. We gave it to her in school. This chair is wobbly, because this chair has a broken leg. Here the underlined word is this chair. The word this chair is repeated, right? So we have to use a pronoun for this. This chair is wobbly because instead of this chair, it is, you can look here, dear children, because this is already this chair is actually the demonstrative, right? So it's a chair which is this chair is wobbly because this chair has a broken leg. So the underlined word is this chair. This chair is wobbly because this chair is a object, name of an object. It is not a living thing. So we can use it. It has a broken leg. Now next see, Mala's grandmother has knitted a sweater for Mala. So here in this sentence, the underlined word is Mala. Okay. So Mala is repeated. So we have to, Mala's grandmother has knitted a sweater for Mala. Here Mala is coming as an object. So we have to use the object pronoun for Mala. Mala is the name of a girl or lady. So we have to use he or she, she or her. But here it is coming as an object. So we have to use her. Mala's grandmother has knitted a sweater for her. Like that you can do the exercise number 7 and 8, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You can look at these are the answers. Please go through these answers. You can go through the answers. So dear children, today we have completed the topic personal pronouns, and we have finished the first two exercises A and B, exercise number A and B from your textbook. Thank you children.